Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a very simple dumpling made out of sweet glutinous rice and lentils and meat of your choice, and I'm going to parcel them in bamboo leaves. These are the bamboo leaves that I'm going to be parceling them in, making them into small parcels. Alright, so let's get started. What I've done right now is I have boiled the bamboo leaves last night and left it in the warm water so that it softens. Lentils, again, I have soaked them overnight. Rice, again, I have soaked them overnight. Next, for my chicken filling, what I've done is I've taken chicken, soy sauce, and I've added 5 spice. This is the 5 spice powder that I'm going to use. And I'm going to add chicken seasoning to it, just to season my meat. So you can see now how my chicken has marinated. I've left it to marinate for about an hour or so. All that I've added on top is dried shrimps, so that the dried shrimp also soaks up all the lovely liquid that was added to the chicken. Alright, let's get started how to make ŋ.tsɨ. So I'm now going to show you how to wrap. Let's take one. Okay. So what I've done is I've taken 2 leaves, 2 bamboo leaves, and I'm going to fold this into like this. Okay, alright. This is how it looks. To this, first I'm going to add rice. Spoon rice, then one piece of chicken and the goodness. 2 spoons of lentil, and again just going to cover it up with rice. Okay, so this is, make sure you flatten everything out. Next I'm going to take 1 more leaf, okay, and smooth side in and tie it on top of this. Push this and fold this. And then I'm going to tie it up with my rope. Make sure your parcels are tied very tight. You do not want the rice to come out. Right. Now what I'm going to do is, I've finished making those parcels. What I've done is I've taken plain water and I've immersed all my parcels inside them, and I'm now going to cook them. I'm going to boil it for about an hour and a half. Okay, and once they're cooked, I will show you how they look like. Okay, see you in a while. Also, what I'm doing right now is I've added 1 teaspoon of salt to my water so that the rice outside gets seasoned as well. Let me also tell you that after draining off the water, what I also did was I added salt to my lentils and salt to my rice. I forgot to mention that. So once you wash your rice and lentils and you soak them, once you drain off all the water, once the water is all drained off, take little salt as per your taste and season your rice and your lentils so that they don't taste bland when you eat them after it's cooked. Plus, I've also added salt to the water so that it seasons my Joong from outside and from inside as well. Okay? Alright then, see you in a while. I'm going to let it boil for an hour and a half. Look how my Joong has boiled. It's been boiling for about an hour and a half. I'm going to now turn off the gas and take off all the Joong out and let it cool for a while. Be right back. So here you go. My parcels are now ready to eat. Up close and personal. See how they look like? So here you go. My Joong is ready and ready to eat. I've taken off the leaf and we can now eat it. If you like my recipe, please make sure that you subscribe to my channel so that you get access to my recipes like these. Plus, make sure that you click on the bell icon so that you also get notification about my recipe. If you tried my recipe and you like it, please make sure you also click on the like button. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will enjoy this. Have a nice day. Goodbye.